Thank you for purchasing the Evo Suspension Walker. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Evo Suspension Rollator should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, lift out and set aside all the various components. Packaged with your rollator, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information regarding the assembly, maintenance and best use of your product. You are now ready to begin assembling your rollator. The only components to add to your rollator are the front basket and a set of knobs with star-shaped handles. First, fully open up the rollator frame, then push down on the seat. You'll hear a click when the seat is pushed down all the way and secure. Next, remove any excess packaging on the handlebars. Then, drop the handlebars into the top of the frame. Find your desired handlebar height using the holes on the side for reference. With the holes on the bars and the frame lined up, secure the handlebars to the rollator by pushing the knobs all the way through, then tightening them with the star knobs. To prevent the rollator rolling whilst you complete assembly, lock the brakes by pulling down on the handles. Now you can attach the front basket. On either end of the basket are small plastic grooves that allow you to easily slot the basket onto the rollator. For greater ease and comfort, we recommend attaching the basket with the rollator in a folded position. Finally, clip the walking stick holder to the left-hand side of the rollator. Make sure it's parallel with the Velcro strap on the adjacent handlebar. Your Evo Suspension Rollator is now fully assembled. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the Evo Suspension Walker or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.